How to mark DMs as unread on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can mark DMs as unread on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to mark DMs as unread on Instagram, basically all you have to do is simply open up the Instagram map. So currently if I go to any of these over here, you can see if I just long press on it, there is no option to mark a message as unread. But if you want to mark it as unread, then simply open up Instagram profile, then tap the three lines option. Then you have to go to an option called account type and tools. Then you need to switch to a professional account. Right, so you can switch to a business account or a creator account, but the mark as unread feature is only available for professional account users. So unless you convert your Instagram account to professional, you will not be able to find that option. So I'll simply go ahead and then finish this process right over here. Now let me go ahead and then reopen Instagram after converting my account, and then simply go to the DMs page, and this time if I long press, now you'll find the option to mark as unread, as you'll be able to find over here. So these are the ways that you can do it, as by simply converting your normal account to professional account. If you already have a professional account, you don't need to do the process, but if you do, then you will have to do this process. Hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.